Lahat nag-agree sa meeting, pero wala naman nangyari. This is one of the most confusing things for leaders. Walang opposition, walang nag-debate, walang nag-challenge, lahat nag-nod, and still, walang execution. Here's why alignment fails even when everyone agrees. Agreement is about opinion. Alignment is about ownership. Many teams leave meetings agreeing with the idea, but unclear on who owns what, by when, and what success actually look like. Let me ask you this. If everyone agrees, but no one owns the next step, did alignment really happen? O nag-meeting lang talaga na wala nangyari? High-performing teams don't stop at agreement. They lock in responsibility, they clarify priorities, they confirm what action happens after the meeting. Hindi sapat ang did that make sense? But alignment sounds like this. This is mine. Sige, akin na to. Ito yung deadline. Gagawin ko sa timeline na to. And ito yung magiging possible outcome. Leaders who understand this stop mistaking silence and nothing for commitment. Because real alignment shows up in execution and not agreement.